Makhumalo and Mpilo, they have to tell Musamseleku to stop doing the ceremony for Mpilo. It looks like they are desperate. That's why Musamseleku want to see them desperate, Makhumalo and Mpilo. Musamseleku want Makhumalo to do things on his own way. Makhumalo have to tell Musamseleku if he doesn't want to have a ceremony, he have to stop. If it was Mangwabe, Musamseleku can't tell Mangwabe directly because Mangwabe doesn't care. Mangwabe can tell Musamseleku, I don't care if you can do the ceremony or what. Makhumalo was supposed to say the way Mangwabe said that I don't care if you want to have a ceremony or you don't want to have a ceremony for Mpilo. That's the way Mpilo and Makhumalo to say to Musamseleku because they look like they are desperate. Musamseleku want to play with Makhumalo's mind, want Makhumalo to feel the pain. Makhumalo have to tell Musamseleku the way he told Musamseleku that you have to stop coming at my house because you showed me that you can live without me. Even from Mpilo, Makhumalo have to stop asking Musamseleku about Mpilo's issues, about Yef ceremony. Even Mpilo, Yef ceremony or not, they have to live their lives. Mpilo and Makhumalo, lives goes on. They have to stop. Even Musamseleku can't visit them or what, they have to mind their own business. Mpilo have to tell Musamseleku to stop saying about the ceremony again, to live their lives. No more ceremony, no what. They have to show Musamseleku they don't care.